In this particular video, I am going to talk about Dixon Technology. So as you know that already Dixon Technology provided you the vector or multi-vector return. So will this company will continue to provide you the multi-vector return in the next coming years? It can be a multi-vector. Let's talk about these things in detail. So as you know that Dixon Technology is very popular because in the electronics good they are manufacturing various electronics products. So we will do the fundamental analysis and try to understand that in the next coming future will Dixon Technology will continue to grow, or what is the future prospects. If you will invest in this stock for a long term, then what benefit you will get. So definitely in this particular video I will talk about these things in a detail. We will do a fundamental analysis so that everything will be clear. So now let's move to the first of all try to understand that what is the business of the Dixon Technology. So if you look at the website, then you can notice that Dixon Technology manufacturing consumer electronics like LED TV, home appliances like a washing machine, and then a lighting solution, bulb, tube lights like that. So there are the various lighting solution they are manufacturing. And then another and very important and most popular is that mobile phones. As you know that we are very much dependent on the China, but now Dixon Technology is the only best company in India who is manufacturing the electronics like smartphones or feature phones like that. So definitely this company will be continue to grow in the next coming years according to the their business model, because Indian government is also supporting under the Atmanirbhar Bharat. So this type of company will definitely get much more profit, because this type of company will get benefit from the government as well, because we are very much dependent on India and our dependency will be come down because of this Dixon Technology, because this type of company will manufacture lots of mobile phones as well and their components as well. Okay, now security surveillance system. So the Dixon Technology is also manufacturing lots of security surveillance system like railway, bank, ATM, shopping malls like that. So definitely you can tell that this is the one of the most important part, and their manufacturing this type of component is in the future prospect this will be continue to grow. And then you can notice that reverse logistic like smartphone, LED TV, repair on rework, reversement. Okay, so they are also repairing or refurbishment like that. This type of product they are also making. And then medical electronics. So in the medical electronics you can notice that thermometer, it is start manufacturing in the 2020 due to the COVID-19. Set-top box, lots of things. Okay, so definitely the business model of the Dixon Technology is definitely a good, because this is the only company manufacturing in the manufacturing and mass producing this type of electronics good. So what you will think that this company will continue to grow or not? I think definitely it will grow. And then another one is that creating another page. If you look at the Dixon Technology news, so here you can notice that these are the recent events or news. So it looks awesome, and you can notice this is our Rajnath Singh government is also supporting. So this is also one of the most important thing, that government is also supporting this type of company, because we are not want to be dependent on China. So this type of company will be continue to grow in the next coming years. Now another thing is that what is the current valuation. So the current market cap is 22,000 crore market cap. So it's awesome. It's a mid cap company. It's good. Current price is 19,479. That's huge. You can say valuation is much more higher. It is looks very costly. And if this stock will not split, then this stock can be a next MRF. Okay, it can increase, it can go to the 80,000 like that, 80,000, 90,000. The stock price will be go up if this will be not split. So in as per the recent news, this stock will be split in, and the face value will be reduced to 2. So for every, the shareholder will get additional 5 share if they have a 1 share. So if you will have a 1 share, then you will get a 5 share. So that's the interesting thing. But price will be also adjusted, but at the long run you will definitely get benefited because your share will be get 5 times. Okay, that's the important thing. So the one shareholder will confirm, it will take up to 1 or 2 months to complete the procedure of the split. Then definitely the share price will be split and the face value will be reduced to 2. Okay. Now if you talk about the pros, what is the pros is that company has reduced the debt. Company is expected to good quarter result, good quarter. Definitely, since there are lots of electronics consumer goods this company creating or manufacturing, then definitely this will be a much more profitable. And the company delivered, you can notice the company has delivered good profit rate of 57.11% CAGR over last 5 years. So in the last 5 years, this company is getting profit with 57.11% CAGR, means compounded return, compounded percentage return. You can notice each year 57% return, their profit growth. Okay, so that's a very good sign. If this stock will be continue to get profit in this rate, then definitely this will be a much more this stock can be a multi-bagger in the next coming years, because their share price will be also go up because company is making good profit. But what is the downside? Downside is only one cons, which is the promoter holding had decreased by minus 0.95 over last quarter. So maybe you can notice, maybe you can say that why promoter decreased their holding in the last quarter, because they need money to scale up their business. That's why it might be reduced. Okay. Now another thing is that their competitor, if you talk about the competitor, then you can notice that there is no competitor. That's very interesting. So here you can notice that only Dixon Technology on the top, and another one is you can say that another competitor is also having, but they have very less valuation. You can see that their price is 14 rupees, but Dixon Technology having 20,000. So you can notice 14 rupees, 5 rupees, 21 rupees, 26 like that. But Dixon Technology have a 20,000 share price, and market cap. Look at the market cap, 22,000 crore. Okay, more than 22,000 crore. And look at the sales growth. Okay, ROC. So everything is much more higher, and based on that you can say that there is no competitor of Dixon Technology, no any competitor near to Dixon Technology. Okay, and now we will understand the quarter result and another thing. So here you can see that company profit growth in the 5 year 57%, in the 3 years 36%, and in the long term you can see 31%. Okay, stock CAGR, you will be get surprised In the last 3 years it is 84% up, but in 1 year it's double, it's tripled. Okay, it becomes multi-bagger. In the 1 year it already provided you the multi-bagger return. This is the huge return. You can see a huge return. It's tripled this type of, you can notice a 348% return. I think if you will kept your money in the saving account or in the fixed deposit, you will get this return in the 100 or more than 100 year. Okay, you will get this return in the 100 year, but you got this return in only 1 year if you will invest in the Dixon technology. So those who are already invested, they already becomes a multi-bagger 3 times. Money is doubled, tripled. Okay, so you can notice here. So that's why seems a very good future growth. That's why everyone is trying to get this Dixon technology, and price is going up. Now let's move further. Return on equity is also awesome, everything is good. And if the notice the shareholding pattern, you can notice that promoters having 38% something, but recently they reduced a little bit, 36%. So they are reduced their return, reduced the holding, they are holding because they need maybe they need money to scale up their business. Okay, now let's see the performance in the recent performance. So in 1 day you can notice that 2.4% is down because of the maybe a profit booking. Is because recently Dixon technology is up 4.5, or in the 1 month you can notice 32%. If any stock is 32% up, then definitely you will expect little bit of profit booking. 1 year return you can notice 4.83%. So this is little bit consolidation because of the profit booking. So you can notice that huge growth, and look at the graph. The graph is it's very linear. Okay, so definitely in the next coming years you can expect, if Dixon technology will continue to grow in this rate, then it can be a true multi-bagger and provide you the much more better return. In the 1 year return you can notice the 347 return, and then the 3 year you can notice the 500 something percentage return. That's good, that's awesome, this is the excellent. Okay, so I hope that you are understanding, you understand about the Dixon technology. Please let us know. As per my opinion, this is the one of the most valuable in the next coming years. This Dixon technology will continue to grow, but only I will suggest that one thing, I will suggest that at the current valuation, because if you look at the current valuation, then price is very upside. And if you look at the technical analysis, so will you need to invest tomorrow or if the market will be open? So well, it's depend upon the technical analysis. So I will suggest that if valuation will be little bit low, because this type of stock will be very expensive, I know, but again you need to buy on a dip. So if valuation will be come down, or profit booking will be happen, or consolidation phase will be happen, at that moment you can buy this stock. Okay, however, if you buy at the upper side at the high price, then also you will get return, but it might be in the short term you will get a fall on the stock market, because price can be a down, because maybe a profit booking or maybe consolidation like that. So definitely I will suggest that at this moment don't invest. Once the price will be little bit come down, then you can buy. At this moment you can notice that RSI value is 72, which is expensive. So as you know that when the market was due to the uh, budget pressure, market was falling. At that moment you can notice that the RSI value was 48. Okay, RSI was 48. So definitely you need to wait till you got a RSI of 60. Once you will get the RSI 60, then you can start investing. But at this moment you need to avoid, because in the short term it can be a fall, there are the chances. So wait till the 60 RSI, then once it will come to the 60 RSI, then you can buy. But remember, it is not possible, it is not always possible to get the Dixon Technology at the lower valuation. So it is also not possible. You have to understand, this type of stock is always be expensive, but definitely already multiple times they come at this level. The RSI level is 59 or 60. Then if Dixon Technology will come at this level, then you can buy. But at this moment I will not suggest. You just need to keep this Dixon Technology in the watch list, and if the valuation will be come down, RSI will be little bit low, then at that time you can buy. So I hope you understand. If you face any problem and if you have any query related to Dixon Technology, then please let us know. So thank you for watching.